Let's take a look at this can light conversion kit that I picked up on Amazon to update our bathroom lighting situation. The light fixture that was previously in place was actually a 6-inch white disc light recessed light conversion kit, but we wanted a larger 12-inch light because those 6-inch kits really don't put out all that many lumens. And this kit has everything you need to make that happen, except for the light itself. It includes a light socket wiring adapter, a bracket, a metal cover plate, and trim if you need it. Of course, unless you're very experienced and knowledgeable about electrical wiring, you should hire an electrician to install this kit. But we're pretty comfortable with that, so we installed the kit ourselves. So we first turned off the circuit breaker and then pulled out the old 6-inch insert, and it revealed this ancient light fixture that was probably an original installation from when the home was built in 1979. And back then, it was state of the art and ultra modern design, but today those recessed can lights just looked old and dated. So to get it started, we first screwed the wiring adapter into the bulb socket. We then drilled holes inside the recessed can to install the adapter bracket using the screws. Then we secured the ground wires, and then we connected the power and the common. And as you can see, wires are connected black to black and white to white. And then we put the new 12-inch LED disc into place, and after that we turned the power back on at the circuit breaker, and it looks so much better. And even more importantly, it puts off more light and a higher quality of light because it's no longer that gross yellow that makes everyone look terrible. But if you're looking to upgrade and modernize your outdated can light fixtures with something current, then this canned light conversion kit is super easy and just makes a lot of sense. And I hope the short video has helped you decide if it's the perfect project for your home lighting upgrade, and thanks for watching.